You have been always skeptical. I'm talking about political elite. They have always been skeptical of the post-Taliban based in Kabul. Is it because you feel like they are leaning more towards India? Or that India could take advantage of the situation, create new political realignment?
You have a neighbor 7 times bigger than you, and then it starts meddling in the affair of a government which it has no boundaries with. India has no boundary with Afghanistan, but Pakistan has a huge boundary with Afghanistan, and all our relationship with Afghanistan, even before Pakistan came into being, are centuries old. Now, when India starts interfering there, unfortunately, our security forces, our security apparatus gets worried. It's natural. It would happen to any other country. But we don't care what India does there, but whatever is good for Afghanistan is good for us. The other country which has a stake in peace in Afghanistan is Pakistan, because instability there creates instability on the border regions, what was our former tribal areas, and that affects the whole of our country.